Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is V. Gonna do a quick video here for y'all since it took some investigation on my end to try to do it correctly. But today we're gonna go over how to program your Jeep Gladiator Homelink here, garage door opener, with my particular one. As you can see in there, let me show you the model number, or the model name, should I say. It's just a quick, crude video if any of y'all having issues like me. So that is mine right there, the Genie Mach Force Connect. First thing, let's get back in here. We're gonna press these two buttons to clear out the memory. 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1009, 1010, 11, 12. Okay, until it blinks various times like that. It took me about 13 seconds there. All right, everybody, so once everything is cleared, you cleared that, and that blinks very fast, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your Genie remote right here. So we're gonna program this first one with corresponding to the top button here, which goes to garage door number 1, and we're gonna hold it a couple of inches from the Homelink until it blinks slow and then fast. Now I don't know how I'm gonna do this here. I need an extra hand, but let's do this. Hold on, hang on, let me see if I can do this. All right, I'm gonna press the Homelink and my button here at the same time. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, and let go. So that's how that looks like. And then it stops. The corresponding garage door opener here. The program button on this one here on the Genie, like I said, Genie Mach Force Connect. Program is this square button. You're gonna press it until this little blue light turns blue. And then it should, this kind of rectangular one should start blinking purple. But first is that blue circle. Here we go. Okay. I'm gonna hold for 2 seconds. Go. Hold for 2 seconds. And let go. And looks like it's already opening. Let's give it a go. And there it goes. And open. There it goes. All right, folks, so that's it. So just to recap, steps are to press number 1, number 3 at the same time to clear it out. Hold it down for about 13 seconds to 20 seconds. This will blink fast. And then what you're gonna do, hold down your first programming button that you wanna program to this. About 2 inches away, press at the same time until it blinks slow and then fast, then let go. Go into your garage, press the program button till the light turns blue. Run back over here, hold down for 2 seconds, let go, hold down for 2 seconds, and let go. That's exactly what we did. And I hope this helps. Thank you all very much. Have a good one.